Okay, welcome back. Thanks for joining us for another segment of Ask an Engineer, where we try to answer some of your CAD and 3D printing questions. My name is Andrew Garchik. I am a 3D printing genius of the series, and not really. And we have Brelan Blake, who is our CAD expert. So we got a good question. Wanted to ask you, folks working with SolidWorks often talk about electrical. What is electrical? What does it mean to work with electrical? Is it difficult? Tell us a little bit about electrical and what you do with it on a regular basis.
Sure. So I specialize in electrical here at Design Point, and with the SolidWorks Electrical, it's a great tool. So electrical schematics, you can generate schematics, P&IDs, and also some line diagrams in 2D. But a lot of that information is just, it can be reused over. It's a great program, has a great library to use, and online content as well. There's over 1 million components online. So when you create your 2D schematics, for your planning phase and those layout stages, you can take your 2D schematic once that's all complete, and then you can open that up into SolidWorks 3D and generate some of your routes. Now, some of your routes are going to be like your wire lengths, and you could actually run the wire where it's going to be held down in some of your machine from a point A to point B scenario, and then you can generate a lot more information from that, like the true wire length. You can flatten a wire drawing, and with a detailed bill of material, as well as reflecting all from the 2D schematic, so they're talking collaboratively between the two of those, as well as there's always electrical 3D as well. So electrical 3D allows you to generate some of those routes with auto routing, and so you could generate some routes autonomously and also manually as well. It's a great program. Absolutely love it, and and that's what I do here. And I also teach electrical schematics and electrical 3D and routing as well. So.
Let me ask you a question. This may be kind of silly because I don't know much about electrical. My CAD skills are kind of beginner. When you set up like an electrical circuit, can you then like flip a switch on SolidWorks to show the electricity flow through? And does it give you like a graphic of like the capacitors? I don't know what might be on there, maybe resistors or something. And does it show it like a flow, almost like water or something?
Yeah, not so much of flicking a switch and showing any kind of the electrical flow, but what you can do is you could do a lot of checking. There's a lot of error checking to make sure that your circuit's hooked up right, which is going to allow a lot of those errors to be taken care of in the beginning part of your process. So the end of your process and during the process, your project creation, is just a lot more beneficial to the user. So we could also do some simulation tests as well, generate some heats, and also some calculations as well for duct filling and also our cable lengths as well.
Okay, thanks for diving into that a little bit.
Sure.
And appreciate everyone joining us, and we hope to see you back with the next question. Thanks so much.
Great.
Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you.